let's start our new theme, and our new theme is file templates autofill. The file templates autofill will make our life easier because it let us to fill the documents from attributes of internal documents. And first of all, we need to go at setup administration, program settings, file operations, and tick use autofill file for templates. Save settings. And we've already known that the section of the document and files has the folder file templates, and the file templates contains all templates of documents and records, and autofill forms and blanks were keeping there before edition 2.1. But if we have edition 2.1, we should keep the autofill forms and blanks into templates of document types. And let's create a new outgoing document type, the business letter, and our business letter will have autofilling file template, and let's create it. Choose outgoing documents, create, and description write business letter, we don't need to think something, and click on document templates and document attributes. So choose the security level, the main, and we need to save it and go to the tab files, add the files. I've got the file. This file is conditional and empty. Templates of document types, business letter template. Open, and we see the not configured. Let's open our business letter template, and we see that it is empty. And also we can configure the setting field and add some attributes in the file. We have a business letter, and we need to choose who sends the letter and who give it. We need to choose a recipient, the company may be actual address, the creation date, and maybe outgoing number, and click done. we need to wait some time. And now the system creates some text boxes, and we need to place it according this document type design. For example, cut it and we write from and then we write to. Cut this and move it up. Write number. And creation date, move down. Write date. Save it. Close. Oh, it's Peter Smith. And finish. Done. And test field settings. We need to create outgoing files by using the type business letter with the template. So document files, outgoing documents, create business letter, create document description, about the technical problems with equipment. From company, our company prepared by Albus Dumbledore. Recipient. Let's create a counterparty. Let's name it hard steel. Hard steel. Seven close. Select and create a new address here. Counterparty hard steel. Full name Alice Brown. No, not Alice Brown. Alex Brown, yeah. 7 close, select, and we already have a template for our business letter about the technical problems with equipment. And click Save. And open the file. From our company to Hard Steel Alice Brown, in reply to of have it numbers, have a department, and prepared by Albus Dumbledore. Let's open it. Edit. And let's see that the system write the name of our company, it is our company, to the name of recipient, Hard Steel, and make date. So let's add the other attributes. Finish. Go to the reference information, document types, business letter, setting field open, and choose prepared by, choose the department, and that's all done. Some troubles with the system. Now our business letter template has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 text boxes, and let's finish. And test field settings. Select about the technical problems with equipment. Select. Now we see that the system add the prepared by the department, but we need to edit it in the template. Prepared by, we need to prepared by, and write the department. Save in Word. Finish. Done. Test field settings. Choose this. Our about technical problems with equipment, and we see the prepared by Albus Dumbledore. Department of Albus Dumbledore is management. We don't configure our numerators for this file. can see from our company and 2 hard steel, and also we see the date and exact time when I create this document. And I want to show the simple and useful commands. We need to click by right button and choose this command, and we see account and the name of file field and the count of file field in the document type business letter template. Also we can add barcodes in the templates and in the files. For the section we need the open template form, more actions, barcodes, insert barcodes, and choose a position on page. I want this, insert barcode image successfully inserted into the file, save and close, open, or open the file and see the barcode, but we need to move up it and save, finish, done. And let's test the field settings. Select, and we see barcodes in the a barcode in the upright angle. We see that the system has a lot of embedded default attributes for file autofill, but if we don't find the necessary attributes, we need to program a script, and in this situation we have 2 ways. The first is we need to program code by ourselves, and the second, we can visit our site. You can visit our site academy point doc minus lvv point true. Press personal area. We need to be registered or signed in. We see the list of trainings and click on library of scripts for 1C document flow 2.1 by Andrei Biryukov. Click it, and we see the scripts. We see the library of scripts. We need to choose file autocomplete scripts. And choose the necessary script. If the script is not available, we need to buy the full version of library. So we have a free scripts, and for example we need to paste the legal address of the counterparty. It is the script for outgoing documents. Click. And we see the script, but it is a Google translations, and this script in English will not work in 1C document management. We need to choose the Russian and copy the script. All of the scripts were written in Russian, but if you want to write it in English, you can do it. So let's go back to our 1C enterprise. We need to open setting field, open scripts, press add, file field legal address of counterparty. The system don't let us to write more symbols, so let's write legal address. Field name contains incorrect symbol, enter different name. The name of file field can't contain the gaps. Legal address. Okay, press there, enter the script, and we need to delete the string. In English it is the result, and we need to delete it and paste the copied script. Press OK. Done. We need to wait some time. And we can see that the system adds the text box legal address. We need to cut it. And paste under the recipient. Save. Close. Finish. But if we test field settings about the technical problem with equipment, select, the system will not show us legal address because we didn't write it in counterparty information. So let's edit our counterparty information. Counterparties. Choose, select the hard steel, right button or F2, edit, addresses, fonts, and write the legal address. For example, hard steel is in Germany. In Cologne. 7 close. go back to our business letter, test field settings, select. We need to fresh some time. Test field settings, about technical problems, but the program didn't see the address. I think that the problem is in a script. If I try to translate into English, the string, if string contact information type name, it is legal address in Russian, and we need to rewrite into English. Legal address. Okay, done. And when we test, select, the system write the legal address of Hardstyle, Germany, Cologne. Close it. So we consider the file templates autofill and the scripts, but we work in Word, and what should we do if the extension of the file is a text, or we can work with the file in OpenOffice? The answer is simple. We need to go back to the file templates autofill settings that were before edition 2.1. We need to click on functions for technicons, open catalogs, and find file autofill settings, file autofill settings. Let's open it. We need to create new file autofill. Click more actions, change form, left panel. OK, and now we can add the file type. In description, write client order, client order, file template. So let's copy new file template, copy, and write client's order template, client order template. Save and close. I want to pay attention again that all files in our system are empty and conditional. Let's go back. Setting fill creation, fill file creation, show all, file templates, clients, order template, select. The file owner of client's order is internal document. Select client's order. And let's add some text fields for the document. We need to open our client's order template, open the form of the file, and press edit. For adding the text field, we need to press right button and customize the ribbon. We need to tick developer. Okay, now we see a tab developer, press it. And we need to press legacy tools, legacy forms, text form field. And for example, we need to write that it is order number now we choose a developer, press the legacy tools, text form field. Need to double click. We need to double click on the text form field, and the system will open text form field options. In string bookmark, we need to write reg number, and default text can be whatever you want. Okay, and we need to add the date. Write date. Developer, legacy tools, text form fields, double click, bookmark, reg date, registration date, and default text can be like this. Okay, save in a Word. Finish editing. Done. Let's reread, refresh. Data has been modified. Read data, yes. Add, and we need to choose the field in the file. The rec num, select and value of attribute. we replace the field in a file with value of attribute, and we need to choose the necessary attribute. Registration date, save and close, and add field in the file. Select OI, the reg num and reg date. I need to edit. Also select reg num. Need to registration number. Save and close. Add field in a file reg date. Value of attribute, we need to select registration date. Registration date. Registration date. Double click, save and close. And let's test our setting field file for clients' orders. Let's go to the internal documents, create a new folder, clients orders, clients orders. We need to move it in a root, save and close, and create a new internal document. We have a document type clients order, create, and description of the document, write client order 1, clients order 1, clients order 1. Save and close. Now we have a record clients order 1. Let's open form and add or create a new file. Create from template. So the file templates can keep in internal document template or in file templates. The system offers us to select the necessary file. We need to select client's order template, select, save and close, no, and let's open and see the file. We see that the text form field are changed. Let's register the client's order 1, save, save and close. So let's see the command that can help us. It is a new command. For this command we need to select the file, right button, and fill file with document data. Click. Fields in the file are updated with data of the file owner. OK. Let's view the file. We see the number of the order and the date of registration with the time, but we don't need to see the time, and let's take away it from the string.